based on the information, I mean, you're talking about like, you got different states, are there any specific markets that PropStream is missing, or would you say that it's good across the board in all states?
I would say it's good across the board, across the states. The only reality is that not all data sets are going to be strong across the board. Right? Some of our providers are going to be better at collecting liens and in a populated area because the technology is there. Where if we go to a county where there's 100 people, they have to actually send someone to get that data. So whereas a LA County may update on a weekly basis, a county with 100 people may update on a quarterly basis, right?
Gotcha.
So nationwide, we're covered for the most part. Just don't expect divorces to be in every zip code that you pull up. Don't expect auctions to be in every zip code that you pull up. So as you're searching city by city, you're going to see results different, right? Like in New York City, there's only 403 pre-foreclosures, but you go to Los Angeles, and it's a different story. Los Angeles, 491, 160 are up for auction. City by city, zip code by zip code. So we have nationwide. I mean, I can technically say we have data nationwide, but I don't want to say that ultimately because not every category is going to be available nationwide.
Okay, fair enough.